Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart with the Champions Group here at the old Flat Rock High School building. This is the community building here in Flat Rock, Michigan. And there were some preschoolers here today, some elementary students, and the message was about diversity, the need for human kindness, that we always show kindness no matter what, right? That we make sure that we can always also show that unconditional love without any conditions. If someone's taller than us, shorter than us, wider, thinner, different skin color, has money or doesn't, is in a wheelchair or not, wears glasses or doesn't, that we still can show love. And we really tried to hammer that home today to also talk about the need for human kindness, being that if we show a kind action, right, it might not just be to the person that we're showing it to, but it could be anybody else that hears that kind word or sees that kind act. And that might change their heart too in a positive way, potentially forever. So knowing that that is very, very important, along with the word diversity itself, which is our differences. And those could be on the inside, those could be on the outside. It could be our talents, our gifts, our abilities. It could be how we dress, it could be our background, it could be our culture. We need to respect everybody no matter what. It's so important we do this. And they really got that message, right? They got that the peace starts in our hearts. That's where peace does begin. They got the fact that all of us are beautiful miracles. We talked about the M on all of our hands, with the lines on each of our hands. We all have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, just like on the front of my shirt. That M for miracle upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. So through a kindness wrap, through a diversity wrap, through several inspirational videos, through some powerful stories that I was able to share today, we hammered home this need for kindness in our world today. Thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon in the near future. Until then, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out this playlist for some motivational clips. And feel free to visit my website from the other link you see, mrpeace.org, where you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.